Today we are going to see one of the most amazing and magical place in the world. Yes, the Niagara Falls. The Niagara Falls State Park is the oldest state park in America, established in 1885 as the Niagara Reservation. Over 8 million visitors explore Niagara Falls State Park annually. Niagara Falls is composed of 3 waterfalls. The largest of the 3 is Horseshoe Falls, which straddles the international border of the 2 countries. It is also known as the Canadian Falls. The smaller American Falls and Bridal Veil Falls lie within the United States. Bridal Veil Falls is separated from Horseshoe Falls by Goat Island and from American Falls by Luna Island, with both islands situated in New York. 4 of the 5 Great Lakes, Superior, Michigan, Huron and Erie, drain into the Niagara River before emptying into Lake Ontario. These 5 Great Lakes make up almost 1/5 of the world's fresh water supply. Niagara Falls is not the tallest waterfall in the world, however. The beauty of the falls comes from its height and the incredible volume of water running over the falls at a given time. 160 tons of water flows over Niagara Falls every second. This accounts for 75,750 gallons of water per second over the American and Bridal Veil Falls and 681,750 gallons per second over the Horseshoe Falls. The water falls at 32 feet per second over the falls, hitting the base of the falls with 280 tons of force at the American and Bridal Veil Falls and 2,509 tons of force at the Horseshoe Falls. Niagara Falls is capable of producing over 4 million kilowatts of electricity, which is shared by the United States and Canada. Niagara Falls nighttime illumination makes a visit to Niagara a spectacular event at all times of the day. There is a fireworks show on certain days which illuminates the night sky.